Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And one of the big questions that is going to be asked, some of you have already mentioned it in your comments today, is about Windows 12 in 2024. With what we have learned today about what's coming, one of the things that was actually mentioned is that the Windows team, now the new gang that is there taking charge, is actually unsure as to what will be the name of the operating system. And that means that the door is actually open that it could be a new version of Windows 11. So that is not impossible. Some have actually mentioned that maybe it's too early for a new version of Windows officially, naming a new version. So they'd say that maybe we should just, bring out Windows 11 AI, or, will be like a different branch where Windows 11 will have their standard Windows 11 that we have now. And there's going to be Windows 11 AI, let's call it like that. That will be the one that will require an NPU and a PC that has one. So that would mean that in order to run that version, a computer with a neural processor would be required. And it would be kind of parallel to the Windows 11 operating system we have right now. So that is a possibility. The other possibility is Windows 11, new version, maybe, Windows 11 second edition or something. And that would actually have the same minimum requirements, but would say, well, if you want to use all the AI functionalities, your PC needs to have a NPU. And the last but not least, of course, is a different naming system, which would mean could be Windows 12, could be a Windows with a name, Windows AI, let's say. So all of these possibilities are on the table. There is no decision that's been taken yet as to what is going to happen. So we know something major is coming. We know that a Windows version, a major Windows version is coming, but it could actually still be Windows 11, but with AI integration, deep AI integration in it. So that's something we'll have to see as time goes by in 2024. Where are we going? Whatever happens, it's still named Hudson Valley, and it's still codenamed Germanium, but it could still be a Windows 11 advanced version rather than a new version of Windows itself. It's all going to come in 2024. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.